How to invest $10,000 and become a millionaire. Think about it. What are your options? Well, you have to look at statistics and odds. I don't know if you know this fact, but 90% of all millionaires became millionaires through real estate. Don't get me wrong, the dot-com age made a lot of millionaires. Steve Jobs, all those computer wizards, all you computer wizards out there, God bless you. You make a ton of money. I'm a real estate expert, and if I was going to recommend on how to become a millionaire, I would recommend that you get involved in real estate. In case you're in real estate already and haven't hit those numbers, it may just be that little micro distinction that you have to discover. And you may even discover that from reading my book, The Modern Wealth Building Formula, one of my programs, Financial Freedom Protocol. However, let's look at those odds. If 90% of all millionaires became millionaires through real estate, I would say if you're a mathematical or a reading guy, you have to look at those odds. You have to get involved in real estate in some aspect. You may just want to be a homeowner. You may want to get into real estate investing, but I would recommend no matter what you do is that you get involved in real estate. So let's talk about that. How do you get involved in real estate? Well, real estate's all around you. And I don't know if you know, but you can make substantial rates of return in real estate. You can actually double your money in real estate. So if you're interested in investing in real estate, that's an excellent option to double your money. As you keep doubling your money, you start to increase it and eventually you become a millionaire. But I want to give you an example on how you can become a millionaire with this $10,000. So the way that I structure deals is I bring in investors. So let's say, for example, you have $10,000. If you had an opportunity to only put in 10% of the required money to buy a millionaire property, would you be interested in finding out? Great. I'm going to tell you right now. So you have $10,000. You bring in an investor. You want to buy $1 million property. You're going to need around $200,000. Now, in this case, through creative financing, you, in a lot of cases, can get that property for 10% down. So this is my example. Find a property that you negotiate where you only require 10% down. I've done it many times. I wouldn't be asking you to do something if I didn't know you could do it. So now you need $100,000 to buy $1 million property. You need a $100,000 deposit. Your investor puts up 90, you put up your 10,000, and you own $1 million property. Now that's $1 million asset, but you are on your way to becoming a millionaire, and that's what you have to do. Now you could also do that without investing your money. However, if you're going to play the odds and you want to invest $10,000, I would recommend investing it in residential real estate. But I also want to teach you on how to buy real estate with little or no money down. And that's the key. And those are some of the topics that we talk about in the Modern Wealth Building Formula. But I really want you to know today, and I believe the key is play the odds. If you want to become a millionaire, get involved in real estate. If you want to learn about real estate and how to master real estate investing, look up the Modern Wealth Building Formula. And if you're interested in residential real estate investing, Financial Freedom Protocol, how to start your residential and accelerate your residential real estate investing is an option for you to get started in real estate, or just begin studying real estate on the internet. But I would recommend today, if you want to be a millionaire, to get involved in real estate. Check out Ken Van Liew at kenvanliew.com and make it a great day.